Hey all, I want to quickly show you my app that I'm building called Pause. Why I made this is because I felt that adding breaks to my workflow has been really useful and helped me be more healthy, be more aware of, let's say, my schedule, be more productive. So one of the best ways that I like to add breaks is through activation. So I can set this to around 1 minute, and in 1 minute, see top here, we have a timer. In 1 minute, it will tell me to pause. In the meantime, I want to show you other features. So random activation, you can have like minimums and maximums of time and it'll auto generate each time. There are scheduled activations, which also include snoozes, which you'll see later. And you can add one, let's say, oh, I'm going to have a meeting at 6. I could be like, meeting with Mo, and set it to just before 6 so that I can make sure to be on time for that meeting. There are also a lot of customizations like shortcuts. You can change activate session shortcuts, exit session, snooze session. You can also change the top icon here. So instead of the timer, if you don't want to see the timer, you can have an icon, or you could just remove it entirely. There are also audio settings for how much audio that you want to listen to. But in a second, it'll activate and tell me to be more active. So I'm gonna go be more active. And the screen, I actually made it intentionally somewhat boring because I wanted to make sure that people would not be engaged with this screen and would actually get up and go, let's say, go on a run or walk around or think about what they're doing. So I am bored now, so I'm just gonna stop this and pressing E, because I have a short attention span. So I can't, do the break for the entire time. But what I can do if I, let's say, looking back was like, oh, I should have taken that break fully, is completely lock myself out of mouse clicks and keyboard inputs during that time. So I would be forced to do it. And there's also this other feature that I want to show you, which is orthogonal to activation, which is detection. So when I'm working, if I'm working very furiously, a lot of times, let me quickly deactivate this to make sure it won't activate. If I'm working very hard and I'm very focused, a lot of times I've found that I will be typing very quickly or pressing my mouse very quickly. So this is a feature that I implemented to work well with that, so that I can detect when I'm working very hard and very stressed and really insert a break for that. So here I'm going to say for this input latency of very low, I will decrease the count threshold to actually show you the feature, but I will just start typing now very quickly, as I usually do when I'm very stressed, and type a lot, and then it'll get up to 210 and then activate. And here I actually can't do anything. So I'm pressing the space bar, I'm clicking here, and I'm not able to do anything. I'm not able to press E, I'm not able to press space, and it's gonna force me to get off my chair and be more active. So I'm gonna do that again. But this time, I actually am forced to do it the entire time. Once again, I'm back early, but I cannot skip it, so I will have to continue the break to its full extent. Wow, I feel more refreshed already. Okay, last feature I really want to show you is no-go. So let's say I'm in a meeting or maybe recording this demo. It might be the case that I don't want it to activate because it might ruin something important, especially if lock feature is on. So I can have a no-go on this time scale, and it will stop any activations, any automatic activations. You can actually activate it on purpose if you want with the shortcuts. but to demonstrate that, I'll show you with 30 seconds. It will not activate when it hits 0. Other things. For session, yeah, you can change the text if you want to say like meditate, or if you want to say like go take a walk, or I could also say go drink water. Actually, that's a good reminder for me to drink water. But see on the top, it hits 0, and then now it's resetting because this no-go is preventing it from activating. So yeah, thanks for listening.